Hello everyone. Here is a very short little video on how to navigate and find where your assignments are. I'm sure most everybody already knows, but just in case you're new to this and you don't know how to find your assignments or when they're due, I made this little tutorial video. So this is the home page that you will see in your student view. I always put the assignments on the home page, so there'll be an assignments for this week, which is right here, the introduction meet and greet. You can also find them over here on the right-hand side. They will list them under your to-do list. You can also go up to the view course calendar. And there's the introduction meet and greet. And then this coming Wednesday will be your algorithm text entry exercise. So you can find them on your calendar as well. And then back here on the home page, if you go over here to the left-hand side and scroll down to where it says assignments, you can click on that. And then here's all the assignments. The week one quiz, obviously, and extra credit, they're not due till November 14th, so you still have a while for those. But the introduction meet and greet is due tonight. The algorithm text entry is due Wednesday, November 3rd. This course evaluation is going to open up tomorrow. I know we're just all getting to know each other, but just answer the questions as best you can. They do this for the community colleges where they evaluate courses and evaluate instructors. So it's just for the school purposes. So anyway, you can also, if you want to go to where discussions are, you can click on discussions. Here's the introduction again. This general Q&A is just a basic discussion site where you can ask anything and anybody in the class can respond back and help you answer. If say it's I usually turn my computer off at 11 at night, and say you have a question and there's a student who reads that and says, oh well, here's the answer, blah blah blah. So this is a great question and answer discussion. Most people always forget that it's there, but it is there. It will be available for you every week up until the end of the last week. So with that being said, that is your little tutorial on how to find your assignments. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. I'm here for you guys. Okay, bye.